Hello, sir. It's Muhammad Ali, the CEO of Aliwave Digital Solution. Today, we're going to discuss about our recent successful project on unreliable claim of Google as Disapprove. Okay, so if you see that Google support, that unreliable claim, it's a really hard and only 5% expert can fix it. How to working on it. Okay, so if you check that this is my 6 hour ago, I got a mail. If I refresh it, you can see that I see that you need okay, Google account 173. Okay, so uh, we are review your campaign and remove the unreliable claim violation. Okay, if I show you my recent client ads, you see that today is 13 November and it's 11 November, 7 November. My client faces this unreliable claim, but he don't know how to fix it. And finally, when he hired me, I'm working on it, and yeah, successfully. If you see it, there is no issue. Okay, Alhamdulillah. So if I again check, you can see, and if I show you this campaign, uh, 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 okay, now see. Okay, if I show you last 7 days data, it's zero because the campaign was disapproved. And if I show you to the 13 November, you can see my campaign is at running. Okay, so you can see policy review is approved. Okay, so it's eligible now. Okay, and it's started to work. So if you face this same disapprove issue in your Google Ads, and we know how much hard it to fix it, so don't worry, just knock us. Aliwave Digital Solution, we are always ready for you to working on your case, and we have 2 years of experience in this field, and we know how to play with Google policy. So let's we are waiting for you. Knock us and we'll fixing on this case. Thank you.